How to fix Kling AI not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're having trouble with Kling AI, whether the app won't open, keeps crashing, or isn't generating images or videos properly, here are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. Firstly, go ahead and check your internet connection on your device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to close the Kling AI app completely, which means force closing. Open up the Kling AI app and drag from the bottom of the screen, push it upwards and bring this app switcher. Go ahead and push the app card upwards and release. This will force close the Kling AI app. Now relaunch it again. And once you do that, this might be able to help you with some of the problems out there. If it still does not work, then the next thing you want to do is to restart your device, whether you are using smartphones or tablets or even iPads or even a computer. Just restart your device and launch the Kling AI app open again. Now the next thing you want to do, if it still does not work, you can go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar, search for Kling AI. And in the search result, look for the Kling AI app that has already been installed on your device and check if there is an update button available. If you see one, tap on update and download the latest version of Kling AI. Sometimes if you are using an older version of the app, it might get you into some troubles, such as the app not opening, keeps crashing, or it might not even generate videos or images. So just wait for the application to update, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once you update the app, this might fix lots of problems for you. The app updates comes with bug fixes and performance improvements, so once you update the app, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the easiest tips you can follow if you are ever facing problem with Kling AI app not working properly, whether you are using an Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.